Hey guys, this is Dylan from Juniper Overland, and thank you again for being here. This is the third annual Juniper Jamboree, and we are back in beautiful, sunny this time, Leadville, Colorado. Again, this is a huge thanks to our community. It's not even just customers at this point. These are people that want to come together to have an amazing time, meet new people, experience new things, go on new trails, taste delicious food, and we are incredibly thankful that all of you guys decided to come out for an amazing weekend. This year had a couple of new things. As I said, we have courses. We obviously have our amazing Jesse Houston cooking up food for us. We've got live music going on right now as well too. And this year we have even better weather than we could have expected. This event just keeps getting bigger and better, and we are so excited to continue hosting this event here in Leadville for years and years to come. And so I just want you to sit back and relax and watch what this weekend is all about.
Give them all hell. All hell.
Well, first of all, I just woke up to this shit. I don't know what these pre-formed already looks like they're pre-cooked even sausage patties. Like,
sorry, chef.
You might as well just eat them frozen. Like,
sorry, chef.
Don't do that here.
I'll do better.
Put that one back on the grill. That was mine. They do have the crusties, so that's good. In fact, as a chef, I have tried to make better pancakes than a Krusteaz straight out of the bag, already done mix. And I can make you a better tasting one, but I can't make you a more consistent one. Those things are always like fluffy and perfect. Look at this. Look at that. Every single time. Perfect, like, medallion right there. Look at, oh, that's the squeeze bottle technique. Okay, all right.
I learned from last year from you.
But Josh, this right here, are you making egg drop soup?
I am, yes. Yeah, okay, thank you, so.
Cool, I love that for breakfast, yeah. Okay, all right. Well. Good morning.